Alright y'all, before we get everything started, so a lot of people was asking me to make these masks. So I kind of tweaked the design a little bit to where it's not all over. It's right there in the center. So I have a limited, we're talking about a limited amount of masks. And it's going to be on the website as we speak. Link is going to be down below. If you want to go and get your mask, for everybody that waited and said they wanted to get one, now it is your chance to go and get one. But what I decided to do with the money that I make off of this mask, if y'all don't know, I'm from Mamou, Louisiana, which is a small town in Louisiana. So if you watch the news, it's all over the place. Louisiana got hit with a really bad hurricane, and it hit Lake Charles, Louisiana, which is, I have family and stuff there. I know people there and stuff like that. So me and my sister was talking, and we want to help. So what I decided to do, since I'm selling these masks, a portion of the money that I make off the mask is gonna go to buying supplies and stuff to send down there to people that need it. And then my sister also is gonna be making Louisiana keychains, like Mardi Gras colors, and we're gonna have a couple of solid colors. But whatever money we make off of that is gonna go towards buying supplies to help people that really need it out there. So if you haven't seen some of the pictures, I'll put some of the pictures up right now. But it's pretty bad. Most people, there's a lot of people, from what I'm hearing, 6 to 8 weeks without water and electricity, and that's from what I'm hearing. Like I said, since we from there, we want to try to give back and try to help out in some way. Click on the website, pick you up a mask, pick you up a keychain, and that'll be your good deed for the day. But let's go ahead and get this video started in 3, 2, 1. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you for watching. I'm working on the G8 today. Valerie took the Durango for like the 3rd time. Today, y'all, like y'all see in the title, we could be installing custom door seals, and I think I'm the first person to do it on the G8, but I may not be. I just may be the first person on YouTube to do it on the G8. Usually you see stuff like that on the Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger. You know, they known for all the lights and all that stuff, all the custom headlights, door seals, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get this video started, y'all. So these are custom door seals that my fiance got me for Father's Day. Now they did take up to almost, I want to say 2 to 3 months. I think 2 months to come in. We've been waiting on these for a while, and it was even at one point I was telling my fiance I think she got scammed, but time to find out this is the real deal stuff. It just takes a really long time to come in, and I'll find out the pricing and all that stuff, and I'll put it right here, how much it cost her. Actually, I want to look at the website, and I think it is cheaper now to get them than they were when she got them. So, but mine's, I'm gonna show y'all in a few. So what we're gonna be doing in this video, y'all, is I'm gonna show y'all, if you want to get custom door seals, I'm gonna show y'all how I hooked it up. Like I always say in every video, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not an electrician, I'm just a guy who like cars, that like working on his own stuff sometimes, and I'm trying to learn more. And I do know a little bit with the wire and stuff. I know how to wire stuff up. So this is just how I wire it up, and it'll probably make it easier for y'all if you want to do it for your car, because you see how I did it, and you can just base your installation off of mine. So but I got too excited, so it does come in a better packaging and all that stuff, but I got way too excited when I got them, and I had just opened them up. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that comes in the kit. So y'all see that I'm missing one because I already got it installed, and I'm gonna be showing y'all that. So in the kit, you get, she bought this, so you can just get 2 or you can get all 4. So she bought all 4, so these are for the back, and then this one's for the front. So on these it says Mo Nation, and it lights up red. You can get them to where it change colors and all that stuff like that, but she figured that I wouldn't have liked that, so she just got me the one that light up red, which is my favorite color. So you get that, you get these right here, which is like I guess the part you connect it to, like an extension, I guess you would call that. You get that for all 4, one for each one. You also get these to connect the wires, which these really do come in handy because I had to use one. So you get these to kind of splice into your existing wires, and not only do you get that, you also get a wire test, a test light. I think it's what it's called, a test light. So this little part right here goes into the back of it for the ground. you ground it off to a screw or something, and you just poke a wire, and if it lights up, that means that wire is live or hot, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so this side is for the other side door. I already got the other one hooked up, it's just not taped down. Boom. So y'all see it says Mo Nation on there, and then these little parts turn red. And not only do that, but this whole bottom portion right here on the side also turns red. And I'll show y'all in a few what it kind of does. I have not seen what these, if these have anything on them. I don't think they do. I think they just have like a little design and that's it, or they just turn red all the way around. But I never checked. So let's go ahead and take this one off. See what this, oh damn. See, I didn't even know that. So I had no clue. So this one has Mo Nation. So you customize it how you want and what you want it to do and stuff like that. So so this one, it'll glow red around it and what it says Mo Nation. And I'll show y'all real quick how it looks when it's on. But if it does not show up good, I also took a video at night that I'll put up if it doesn't show too good. But car's unlocked, open the door. Y'all see it's already doing its thing. It is hot as hell too right now. Light up, and then it'll go back and forth and then come out, and then it'll just start pulsing like it is now. And I'll show y'all how I got mine hooked up. Right now my car's all taken apart because we was also doing the radio, but we're waiting on the backing plate for the radio. And I pretty much just, like I said, taking everything apart. And last night, I did this last night to kind of test it, to make sure. I even got this top part taken apart. So like I said, for y'all, it's gonna make things 10 times easier for y'all because you'll know exactly what to connect to. I wanted these lights, the ones that says Mo Nation, I wanted them to turn on. There's no point in having them on all the time. I wanted them to turn on whenever I open the door, or anytime I turn the dome lights on, they'll turn on. So that's how I wanted mine. I mean, if you want yours to stay on all the time, or you want to wire a switch, wiring the switches be easier. If you want to wire a switch or something like that from, then like that, I mean, you could also do that, but I wanted mine to turn on and off with the dome lights. So if I turn, like, are they on right now? No, they're not on right now. So the way I have it wired is, as long as this is on, the dome lights are on, the door sills will be on, and whenever the dome lights go off, the door sills turn off. But also, if I want to, see right here, this is for when the doors are open, the dome lights to be on. If you press that button, you know, if you have a G8, you press that button to turn the dome lights off. So when you open and close the door, the dome lights won't come on. So if I turn this off, it also turns off the door sills. So what makes it easier for y'all is that y'all don't have to look for the wire that gives power to the dome lights. So it's actually 2 wires. It's the white and blue, and I think it's the one right next to it. So in order for you to test this, all you have to do is get your test light, you poke it, and they'll light up. So that's how I know that it has power going to it right now, and that's how I know the other ones don't have power going to them. So see, when I hooked this up to make sure that it was working, I just put the test light on it. You see it light up. That means it has power going to this wire right here. So that's what I did. So what, I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert. I'm not telling you how to wire your stuff. I don't even know if that is the best way to do it, but that's the way that I'm going to do it. So I still have to clean this and stuff before I stick it down. So you want to be able, you want to test fit it first, so you know, to where you don't see the wire and you don't see where the old door sills go at. This wire right here piggybacking off the dome light wire. It's that wire is going to power everything on this side, and then I have this wire is going to power the door sills on the other side. So what I did was I just piggyback off of the other wire right here, and I have them connected. Y'all see that? And what I'm gonna do right quick is test it to make sure that it's getting power. Okay, so, and this is the one I bought from O'Reilly's because I didn't find a little piece for the ground, but it does come with the kit, y'all, so you don't have to go and buy one. The best way, I'm just gonna go ahead to make sure that this is getting some type of power from the other wire, is to go ahead and just stick it right there where the wire is exposed, and you'll see it's lighting up. That means it is getting power. So what I'm gonna do with this one is tuck it going down, here. Hopefully it is long enough, and that is how I'm gonna power this side of the car. You know, when you want something done so bad that you do it no matter what. It's like 100 degrees out here, and I can easily just do this tomorrow. I'll wait tonight and pull it in the garage, but I want to do it now. So taking me a little popsicle break. I'm on my 10th popsicle. Let me give y'all a little advice if you're doing this. So I didn't know that this little plastic piece, plastic piece in the back is bolted down. You see, it's one of those little I don't know what they call it, like a little start nut. I don't know what you call them, but you need one of those to take this off. But be careful when you're picking it up, because y'all see I already broke one of the clips. So it's gonna be good, but I broke the clip off. But whenever you pull it off, it sounds like it's breaking, but you don't. It's like you really don't know. And to get them off, you have to put a little force into it. So what I did was I fed a wire coming to the back right here. Y'all see this wire right here. So this wire is gonna give this door seal, and the door seal in the back is gonna give this door seal the power that it needs to turn on. So this is gonna have its own separate power, and then that side is gonna have its own separate wire running to the back as well. And then once I finish, I'm gonna pull it tight, tape up stuff, and pull it tight, tape it up, and tuck it real good to where you won't even notice that the wire is there. That's one little piece of advice I want to give y'all. Another piece of advice is, I didn't realize, but that's the airbag. So make sure whenever you're doing this that you're careful, because I wouldn't pay no type of attention till I got to that side, and I did this last night. So this is the airbag right here. So just be careful messing around with this part where the airbag is at, and how you running the wire and stuff. So you want to run the wire, or try to run the wire behind the airbag. That's what you want to try to do. So see, what I got this ground right here, and what I'm gonna do is for the ground for the back, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna ground it to that little bolt in the back. All right, y'all, so before my GoPro died, because it only has 7% left, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So I tighten up this side. This side is completely done. It has the stuff back. Let me explain why I took the seat out. But as you can see, you open the doors, they come on. Boom, that was doing. You open this one, that one's doing also. So make sure when you're taking this out, like, be careful with this, because you can break the clips. As y'all can see, mine's is loose because I broke the clip. You can probably put something right here to hold it down too, but just be careful with that when you're taking this off. Remember, there's a screw back here. You can't ground it to here, right? So the best spot I would believe is take the seat off. There's a screw, as you can see right here. Here's a screw. You can ground it to this screw right here. This is for the seat. You have to make sure you got a good ground in order for this light to come on. I do believe you can take this plastic piece right here. You can take this off, and I do believe there's some little white plastic pieces in there. If you pull that out, you can go under. You can go fish it under and come out and pull it to the where the tabs and stuff is at. But I'm not really sure. I didn't try that. I just went over, so the wire is sitting over this little metal piece right here, and it should be fine. The rubber is on top of it, so it should be good. So that's what I did. But there's other ways to do it. Like I said, I'm not an electrician or a mechanic. There you go. You don't even know. Once I put this up, you won't even know that the wire is running all the way down to each side. So all I have left is to do this side, and once I do that side, I'm gonna do that side tomorrow, and then that'll be it. And I'm gonna show you kind of what it looks like at night, and then end the video. So for y'all, it's just gonna be like 2 seconds, but for me, it's gonna be like a whole day or two. So see y'all in a little bit. I don't know if the car's unlocked. So as soon as I open the door, the dome lights turn on, so that would cause the door seals to also turn on. So boom, y'all see, there we go. So as soon as you open any door, all of them are on. So that one's on. We get this one. Y'all see? And then it should start blinking. There we go. You can't even tell where the wire is at. You don't even see any wires or anything if you install it right. And honestly, some people may say it's rice, but to me it's kind of worth the money. I mean, if you're trying to just stand out a little bit, and then plus I like the feeling, you know, when you open the door and you see this right here, it looks pretty cool. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have had a good day, y'all.